Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I wanted to show you the way how you can make a glow portrait effects on your photo with the PicsArt application on mobile phone. Open the PicsArt application on your mobile phone here now, and then you just need to wait until the application is perfectly open. Just wait a little bit longer here. Okay, and the next thing you need to do is just go tap into the plus button and then just pick the picture that you want to edit. I'll let you find the picture first. Okay, I got the picture already. And the next we just need to tap into the effects. And then you just need to go find the best effect that could be give you a shine or bright effects for your photo here. They could be several that I would like to suggest you. The first one is 1971. In this 1971, you can adjust about the intensity here if you want, so you can blend between your original with the effects consistency. And the next could be a sea foam. So you just need to tap into the sea foam, and you can see that the object or the subject on the picture could be going like shine brightly compared to your original one. And the next, you can also try to get this cross prog. You can also adjusting from the contrast so that it could be a super glow for your subject here. And you can also got this amount to just controlling which area that you want to make it become glow. And you can also do fade to just combine between the original and effects. Right after that, tap apply and download the picture. And now you're done. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet again into another tutorial.